Tired of painstakingly typing out text from images? Today, we're unlocking the power to instantly extract words from any picture, boosting your productivity like never before. Let's start on your mobile device. Many modern smartphones have this capability built right in for Android users. Open your Google Photos app, find the image you want to get text from and tap on it, then look for the copy text or lens icon. Tapping this will analyze the image, identify the text, and give you the option to copy it. It's that simple. iPhone users, you're in luck too. If your device supports live text, simply open your Photos app and select your image. Once the image is open, you might see a small shimmering icon or simply be able to tap and hold on the text directly within the photo. Once selected, you'll get the familiar copy and paste options, just like you would with regular text. Now, let's move to your desktop. A fantastic free tool for this is Google Drive. Upload your image or scan document to Google Drive. Once uploaded, right-click on the file and select Open With. Then choose Google Docs. Google Docs will then create a new document, placing your original image at the top and the extracted text directly below it. You can then easily edit or copy the transcribed text. Another powerful online option is Grammarly. Visit the Grammarly website and look for their free online tools. Grammarly has an Imageto text converter. Simply upload your image, and Grammarly will process it, presenting you with the extracted text. This is excellent if you need a quick install solution. These methods eliminate the tedious task of manual transcription, saving you valuable time and reducing errors. Whether you're on the go with your phone or at your desk, extracting text from images is now a breeze, making your workflow so much smoother.